Today's recipe is Brigadeiros, the Brazilian chocolate fudge balls. Welcome to my channel. I'm Helma and I'm going to share with you simple, tasty and incredible recipes that would impress your friends. I hope you come along with me in this journey. We just need 3 ingredients to make this delicious dessert. 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 can of condensed milk, 4 tablespoons of dark cocoa powder, and this is it. Now we just need to mix them up and cook in low heat for about 20 minutes. And it's ready. We just need to put it on a plate and refrigerate it for an hour to get cold, so then you can make the little balls. And with that we just need some chocolate sprinkle and you're ready to go. The chocolate sprinkles you can get at Brazilian stores. They have different ones. They have some that are crunchy, some that is just plain chocolate. But if you don't have it, you can just put it on cocoa powder or the chocolate sprinkle that they have at the supermarket. The Brigadeiro is ready and let's go for the taste. It's amazing. Please, if you like this video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and comment. I want to know if you tried this recipe and how did you like it. Okay? I hope you try this. Kisses for everybody. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.